Today I'm going to talk about how to take Microsoft Teams class and what was the features of the Microsoft Teams and all. So most of the teachers have the doubt, they're confused about what was the features of the Microsoft Teams and how to take the classes, how to assign assignments to students and all. So in this section I'm gonna talk about that. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, just type the ID, like we want to enter to the Office 365 ID. So just type the ID be like portal.office.com. Okay, that's the website, portal.office.com. Okay, so in here we can see a sign up page in here, Microsoft sign in page. So enter your Microsoft ID. Okay, so I'm just typing mine. Okay, and just after that just click next, and after that enter your password. And give yes. Yeah, so we are successfully logging to the Microsoft Office 365 page. Okay, we can see a lot of tools in here like Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, like etc. Okay, so in here we can see also the Teams also being here. Okay, so let's see how to use the Microsoft Teams. Just open the Microsoft Teams. So we will get the interface be like this. Okay, so this is the Microsoft Teams. So in here first we can see the Teams page. In here we can see that. So first of all, I am just talk about the several tools in the left side like activity, chat, and all these things. So let's start with the activity. Okay, let's start with the activity. In the activity page is shown be like if we are doing any kind of activities in any channels or any teams, it will be shown in here. If we assign to, like here we can see the assignments mentioned in one name like that. Okay, so if any teams, if you how many teams and all the how many teams that we have and what the assignments assigned to that teams and all, every notification will be get in the activity page. Okay, you will get all the activities in the activity page, like if we assign to any assignment to students or someone assigned as assignment to us, all the things are we get in the activity page. Okay, so that's all about the activity page, and here we can see the feeds, like so all about the feeds and section. Okay, so after that next section is chat section. In here we can see we can chat with someone, and already in here we can see some, I am just chat with the Hambras. So yeah, in here in this section I can chat with him like hey. Okay, and or you want to chat with someone like a group or something, here we can see a symbol like new chat. Okay, click there and enter their IDs like Hamras, Shafiq. Okay, so this is the group, like this is our group chat. In here you can see like we will share some files and all. So yeah, so this is all about the chat section. If you want to chat with someone, you can chat it through here. Yeah, you can chat group chat, you can take it a group chat or individual chat. See, that's up to you. Okay, so that's all about the chat section, and we can see all the chats and here and all the things in here. So yeah, it's all about the chat section. And the next thing is team. Okay, so how to create a team, how to join a team. In here in this page we can see it's some kind of some teams we can see. Okay, this is what I'm just join some teams, that's a list in here we can show in here, that's a shown here. Okay, so how to create a team, in the right side we can see a join or create teams option here. Just click there. In here we can see a create team option and a join team with code. Okay, because all the teams have their own code, individual codes, so we will share the code to students or something, they can use the code to enter the particular class. Okay, so just remember about that. So I'm going to show you how to create a team. Just click the create team option and select the option be like we can see several options be like class, professional learning, community, staff, others like that. So just select class, okay, and enter the name of the class. I am just entering name like 7th A. Okay, I'm just entering the name like 7th A, and yeah, I'm giving next. If you like to give any description to the class, you can give it, okay, but I didn't give that. And after that, we can see this. If you want to add students, just enter the names of the students. I'm just entering their names like Shafiq, Hamras, okay, like that. Or you want to enter, you want to invite some teachers into the class, you can add it. I'm just adding the students only. So yeah, and click the add button, so they will get the notifications and they will be entered to the class now. So just close that, close it. Yeah, so we are successfully make the class like 7th A. Okay, we can see the name and all here. And so just talk about this page like general page. We are entered to the general page in here. And here showing like upload class materials. If we want to upload some class materials or something, we can add it like in the file section. Okay, from the file section, if we click there, we will be entered to here like class materials and all. So if the what is class materials, if we click the class materials in here, we can see the read only class file. Go here, students can read these files but only teacher can edit. Okay, if we copy some files or upload some files in this folder, only teacher can edit the file. Students can only see it, they can't edit it. So just remember about that. And yeah, so just remember about that. If you upload any files, they can only see the files. Okay, so yeah, so that's all about the file section. Or otherwise, if you want to add something here, they can edit also. But if you upload some files in the class materials, they can only see it. Okay, so what about the post section? In this section, we can see a chat section. Okay, in here we can chat here like hey, I'm just entering hey, I'm just send it, and the students can also reply to my message also. And here we can see some options like we can edit, we can make a like we can edit some subject, like we can use bold letters and all. We can like paragraph sentence. If you want to make a paragraph sentence or something, you can use it this option. Or otherwise you want to attach something, here we can see attach something like browse themes and channels. If you uploaded some files in the themes or channels, in not in this channel, some other channels, you can take the files from there. Okay, if you click there, you can take the files from there also. Or otherwise you can see another option like OneDrive. Okay, what is OneDrive? OneDrive is giving a Microsoft giving a option like there's a storage space. Okay, that's a cloud platform, and you will get a 5 TB space in there, free space. Okay, like a 5 TB, you can upload the files and all there. Okay, so just use the OneDrive, and if you upload any files or something in there, you can attach the files there. Okay, and you can take the file from there. And next thing is upload file from your computer, from my computer. Okay, so if you upload any files or something, you can take the files from here. Like you can see, if I want to take, if I want to attach some files, I can take it from here. Like I'm just taking like I'm just selecting the file and just click the open. No, not in the class file, let's upload it. Okay, I'm just uploading it, and if I send it, yeah, the file is sent it now. I just share the file to the class now. Okay, this is how we just attach a file like this. We can share the files be like that. Okay, and the next option is smiley option, like we can use the symbols and all using this smiley option. And after that we can see a GIF option here, and we can we can use that's only about the simple option to you if you want to use some funny conversation. If you want to make some funny conversations, you can take it from here, and the stickers like that. Okay. And the next main thing is like praise. If you like to praise some students in the, if you want to praise some students in the class, if you want to praise some students in the class, if you can take it from here. Like if you want to give a courage to some student, like Amras, I'm just selecting Amras and give him preview it and send it. So yeah, like that. If you want to praise some students, you can give the praising option to some students. Okay, so that's all about the praise. And after that, if you want to send some YouTube videos, like I'm just typing like poem, just if you what's your content or something, just enter the in here. Okay, just enter here, just search here, and select the file from here.